Let's do 4K 60 wide. I'm curious to see visually what we got going on here. I gotta put all these freaking towels away. Jesus Christ. You just be doing the most. Or the least. I haven't figured it out yet. Mentos. The Fresh Maker. Is that what that name is? Is that actually the saying? I gotta look that shit up. It's been a hot minute. I forgot. Anyway. We're gonna try out while I suck on this Mentos. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. God damn, this Mentos is crazy. I just picked this up. I just wanted to show you because I thought it was kind of cool. If you're into brushes, brush nerd like me, you've probably had this one or have this one. I've had this one literally forever, and I wasn't able to use it as much as I'd like, just because I got lazy. And then I started getting carpeted freaking Fender well liners, and I couldn't stand it. But this was the mother's one. It's beat to hell, and I liked it. It's long and it's sturdy, and it was cheap. Very, very cool. But if you're into this game, you have heard about Detail Factory. They've actually come out with a brush that most of you, if you don't know that's theirs, then you do know now just by seeing it. It's had one of these brushes that everybody does all those fancy videos online, basically just lathering up their seats. Does it matter? I don't know. Does it make a difference? I don't know. Does it look cool? Yeah, looks cool. God damn it, that thing was already charged. Anyway, this is the ProGrip Fender well brush by the Detail Factory, and I had to pick it up. I saw it pop up on my feed, and I was like, oh, this looks cool. And then I saw the price, and I said, oh, interesting. Oh, that's a clever little box idea. Yeah, $19.95 for this, and really not bad. That's absurd. For me, it's absurd. This thing's $29.99 or $29.95, so 30 bucks for this, right? I get it, you know, woohoo, makeup brush for your car, cool. But this thing, like, goddamn, like, very much more attractive, and we still get the same length. Did they purposely add? Damn, they're petty. I love it. They purposely made it just a little bit bigger because length matters. You ask any girl, they tell you, you know, size matters. Whew. They let you know. I dig a couple things about this, and then that's what I'm gonna tell you. I like how they have a little skinny profile here. If you want to hold it back there, it's got a difference in grip. This girthy one, I don't know, I feel like this grips better. The rubberized texture all through. Hey, listen, this is turning into a bad video. Hey, don't hit Jesus. This turned into a bad video. It's got rubberized all throughout. Now, yeah, the mothers had rubberized here, but nothing here. Nothing. Just here. And even this leaves you feeling like you're lacking a little bit here, mothers. It's got some texture here on this side, but to me, why wasn't the texture all around? Why do you want just the texture on your palm? Why not? I would like it on my fingers too. But this, okay, you got textures all around. Obviously, this is smooth, fine, cool. But I got it here. And it's not just regular texture, it's like some spongy, so my fingers can get a grip on this. I feel like I could just like do some samurai shit with this thing, dude. If like somebody breaks in, I got you, my man. I got you. This point of stuff is crazy. I don't know karate, but if that just looked as badass as I think it did, I felt like that looked cool. I don't know. This is just like a whole other level for me. I haven't been doing POV videos like this before, okay? No, I'm gonna mess people up like that. Just gonna take them out. Hey, stop hitting the Lord. So I like it. Let me talk about some other stuff here. I don't mind that they're a little bit shorter. I actually feel like this is a little bit much. This is plenty of fluff. This is plenty of fluff to get up in there, okay? I feel like I got all protection and it just looks cooler. This thing just looks like a beautiful little senorita. The logo's chilling. I like it. Listen, that's the OG. If you have it and, you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I got you. But I like to test things out and I'm not going to get rid of that. No, can't get rid of that. Like, you don't know what the hell you're going to need this for. I don't know. This doesn't feel like I'm... I gotta stop. What the fuck am I doing, man? What am I doing with my life? Anyway, that's the video. What the hell just happened here? A little caffeine, couple bites of Mentos, and I just lost my shit. I don't really understand. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD, OG, I truly appreciate you guys or girls or listen, whatever freaking pronoun you are. If you're watching my video and you fuck with me, I fuck with you. That's it. It's the end of it. Got it? Boom. So do it. Get this thing, dude. 19. What in the hell? Just flippity doodad off of this thing. It's probably packing something. It's packing something. It's packing some fucking heat. That's what this thing's packing. This is awesome. I can't wait to get into my Fender well. Problem is, I got this carpeted shit. It's so annoying. But the Telluride, I'm pretty sure it doesn't have that. And I'm going to be doing a lot of detailing videos on the Telluride. Just because that thing is going to be like my test guinea pig. Honkity donk. I don't even know if a guinea pig makes that. Is it a regular pig? The guinea pig, does it snort? It's fat and short, sweet, delicious little guinea pig. Does it snort? I don't understand. Have no idea. This video went way south. Anyway, under 10 minutes, we're trying. We're doing it. That's the end. I love you guys. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. I'm going to leave a link down below for this. I'm not affiliated with these people. If they ever watch this, they're definitely going to block the shit out of me. I don't understand who's sitting there doing kung fu moves with their brush, but who knows, you know? People lose their minds for a lot less. I think this is cool. Go get it. There's really no demonstrating this, though. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're going to spray this, you're going to spray inside your fender well, and you're going to scrub the goddamn fender well. You just want to see products. You want to know if this exists. It had a cool-ass box. The handle feels good. There's rubber where it needs to be. It's lighter. This thing is heavy. I don't know. You decide. Buy whatever the hell you want to buy. Don't be influenced unless you feel like you need to be influenced. I get influenced all the time. I got friends that make me buy shit all the time. The hell did I need this for? I don't know, but it's cool as shit, and I have it. It's mine. It's mine. Have a nice day, everybody. Goodbye.